Good morning, class. Welcome to day 6 of your narrative art unit. This video is going to discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed for today. So your learning goal is and has been to create a narrative illustration, an artwork that tells a story that visually communicates using imagery, background, and details. Your central question is, how do artists communicate these experiences, memories, and values visually? Basically, how do we go about creating a narrative artwork? How do we tell our story as clearly as we can? And as we discussed the last couple of days, you want to make sure that you have clear subjects, that you have clear actions, what your subjects are doing. You have a clear environment where those subjects are. Even the colors and surrounding details, all of those things factor in to telling your story visually and telling it clearly. Because if you're telling a story about yourself and your subjects and the actions, they don't line up with that story, people aren't going to understand what your story is or what your artwork's about. It's as if I were to tell a story about my family vacation at the beach and then I start describing snow and polar bears. I mean, that wouldn't make any sense to my story verbally, right? It's the same thing in art. You want to make sure all the elements of your story are in your picture and that they are clear. So your vocabulary words today are unity and focal point. That's going to lead us right into our task list below. So the first thing you're going to do is watch the unity and focal point video. This will help with today's entrance ticket questions, so please watch that. All your answers are in that video. I'm still getting questions as to where to find the answers to the entrance ticket, and they are right there in order. Please make sure you're always completing everything in order. And then after you've watched the video, then answer your entrance ticket. You'll have all the information you need. Your questions are, what is a focal point and what is unity? And again, both of those words are discussed in the video above. Once you've done your entrance ticket, the last step is just to continue adding to your final drawing and then submit a photo at the end of the class for your daily progress. Your benchmark goal today is just to continue adding color with your color pencils. You should be about 80% done, and what that means is you're almost fully done. That way, during the next class, your last day of the unit, it should only take you one class period to finish. There'll be no stress, no rush, because you'll be right on track to finishing with ease. But if you aren't there, it's okay. Just make that a goal to get nearly done so you can finish next class. And lastly, if you finished early, you are welcome to submit your artwork early to the narrative art final unit or narrative art final project in the day 7 folder. If you do submit it early, however, please make sure you submit some kind of free art drawing for today so you can still get your 3 points for your daily progress. All right, I look forward to seeing your artworks today. I will talk to you shortly in the Unity and Focal Point video to discuss your entrance ticket. All right, everyone, I'll see you soon.